Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Bank of America, a leading financial institution known for its comprehensive range of banking and financial services. We'll explore their third quarter 2024 earnings, analyze the performance of their business segments, and discuss what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for valuable insights. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Bank of America reported a net income of $6.9 billion for the third quarter of 2024, with earnings per share of 81 cents. The company's revenue increased to $25.3 billion, driven by solid fee growth in asset management, investment banking, and sales and trading. Despite a decline in net income compared to the previous year, the company maintained a strong balance sheet with a CET1 ratio of 11.8% and returned $5.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $25.3 billion, which is slightly down from $25.4 billion in the previous quarter, but up from $25.2 billion in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share for the current quarter were 81 cents, down from 83 cents in the previous quarter and 90 cents in the same period last year. Non-GAAP EPS is not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Consumer banking reported a net income of $2.7 billion with revenue of $10.4 billion, down 1% from the previous year. Global wealth and investment management had a net income of $1.1 billion with revenue of $5.8 billion, up 8%. Global banking reported a net income of $1.9 billion with revenue of $5.8 billion, down 6%. Global markets had a net income of $1.5 billion with revenue of $5.6 billion, up 14%.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP non-interest expense for the current quarter was $16.5 billion, up from $16.3 billion in the previous quarter and $15.8 billion in the same period last year. Non-GAAP operating expenses are not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include total assets of $3,324 billion, total loans and leases of $1,075.8 billion, and total deposits of $1,930.4 billion. The CET1 capital ratio was 11.8%.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The article does not explicitly mention any major strategic initiatives, product launches, or partnerships announced in the current quarter.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Bank of America's overall performance in the third quarter of 2024 shows resilience with solid revenue growth driven by fee income, despite a decline in net income compared to the previous year. The company maintains a strong balance sheet and continues to return capital to shareholders, indicating a stable financial position.
That's all for today's analysis of Bank of America's third quarter 2024 financial results. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Bank of America is a strong investment opportunity right now. Thank you for watching. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.